This episode follows a professional Kintsugi repair artist who mends broken pottery with gold lacquer, turning fractures into poetry. Viewers meet the artist in a sunlit studio, watching meticulous fillings, polished seams, and the glow of gold dust. Interviews with ceramic curators and a longtime customer reveal patience, philosophy, and resilience needed to reinvent damaged heirlooms. The artist shares daily rituals, from sourcing antique fragments to mastering the environmental conditions that preserve fragile glazes. A closing interview highlights how a career rooted in repair can spark creativity, mentorship, and purpose beyond money.